See, now we are going to see which are like terms and which are unlike terms. It is given that the terms of an expression having the same variables are called like terms. Otherwise, other terms are called unlike terms. Okay, இப்போ பாருங்க. Here we are having the expression as 7x plus 5y plus 12x minus 16. These are the four terms of a given expression. On this 7x plus 5x plus 12x, these are having a variable x, same variable. So we call 7x, 5y, 12x are like terms because இது மூணுலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரே மாதிரியான variable இருக்கு. But what about 16? 16 is a constant term. This is different from these three terms. So 16 is an unlike term of the other three terms in the given expression. So we call that 16 is a different term. This is an unlike term of this expression. See, here we are having another expression 14xy minus 7y minus 12yx plus 5y minus 10. How many terms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are here. On these 5 terms, minus 7y plus 5y are called like terms because these two terms are having the same variable. Likewise, here we are having 14xy and this is 12 minus 12yx. Are they same or different? Both are same because xy, the multiple of x and y, is nothing but the same value of having the same value of the multiple of y and x. xy in multiply பண்ணாலும் yx in multiply பண்ணாலும் ஒரே value தானே வரும். So these two terms are also like terms. So the like terms அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது 14xy and minus 12yx and minus 7y plus 5y are like terms. Which one is the different unlike term in this expression? Minus 10 because this is different from these terms and therefore we called 14xy and minus 12yx are like terms and minus 7y and 5y are like terms. Okay, on this, but we cannot group in terms of minus 14xy, 7y and minus 10 as a single group because they are all different. They are all having different variables. So we call that as a unlike term. Okay, our next topic is finding the value of an algebraic expression. How can we find the value of a given algebraic expression? We are having 4 steps to follow. How to find the value of the given algebraic expression? We are having 4 steps. First step is study the problem, fix the variable and write the algebraic expression. Second one is replace each variable by the given numerical value to obtain an arithmetical expression. Third one is simplify the arithmetical expression by BIDMAS. BIDMAS, what is BIDMAS? It is a mathematical term. Bracket of அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, in அந்த சொல்லலாம் போர்ட் மாஸ் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க, பிட் மாஸ் சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. within bracket குள்ள போடுறது. Then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is called BIDMAS. This is the mathematical method to solve the algebraic expression. Okay, then we use the BIDMAS, that is bracket. We call this as off அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா bracketல. within the bracket நம்ம எழுதும் பொழுது நம்ம போடுறது off அப்படின்னு சொல்றது. அது இவங்க inside values some other term, they use some other term on this. This is division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. BIDMAS methodல நம்ம போட்டு solve பண்ணணும். And the value so obtained is the required value of the given expression. முதல்ல நாம என்ன பண்ணணும், கணக்கை படிச்சுட்டு அந்த வேரியபிள்ஸ் என்ன வேரியபிள் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறத ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணணும். அடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும், அந்த வேரியபிளுக்கு தகுந்த வேல்யூஸ், நியூமெரிக்கல் வேல்யூஸ் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அந்த வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணணும், இந்த BIDMAS மெத்தட்ல அந்த arithmetical expression நம்ம கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா சால்வ் பண்ணி அதனுடைய வேல்யூஸை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். See here we are having one example. It is given that if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, find the value of 4x plus 7y. And the second one is 3x plus 2y minus 5. And the third one is x minus y. It is given that if x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2, they ask us to solve. First expression is 4x plus 7y. Second expression is 3x plus 2y minus 5. The third expression is x minus y. How can you find this? They have given the value for x is 3 and y is equal to 2. First you read the sum, then replace the expression with numerical values. How? Substitute the values instead of that variables. We substitute the value of that variable. So 4x, what is x here? It is 3. 4 into 3 plus 7 into, what is the value? What value you can substitute for y? Y க்கு பதிலா என்ன வேல்யூ நம்ம சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ண முடியும்? 7 into 2. That is 4 3s are 12 plus 7 2s are 14 is equal to 26. Okay, then next here we are having 3x plus 2y minus 5. 3 into 3 plus 2 into 2 minus 5. BIDMAS method, no? First addition, then only you will subtract. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 2s are 4 minus 5. That is equal to, add first. 13 minus 5. What is 13 minus 5? It is 8. Okay. Now here we are having x minus y. That is 3 minus 2 is equal to, simply it is 1. Okay. I think now you can understand how to solve the given algebraic expression. Here we are having another example, that is 3.9. So 3.4, given that m equal to 2 and n is equal to minus 1. How can we solve that? It is given that mn minus 1, third one, and the example number 3.4. Other two you can simply finish it. Here this is m, substitute the value for m, that is 2, put that in separate bracket and put the next one minus 1 in the next bracket, then minus 1. This, now here we are multiplying these two terms. No, ரெண்டையும் minus ஒன்னையும் multiply பண்றீங்க. So first we have to multiply the symbol. Plus into minus is minus. 2 ones are 2. Minus 1. Now here we are having both numbers are negative. Both numbers are negative, having same sign. So simply we add the two numbers and put the same sign. This is the method of solving algebraic expression, finding the value of a given algebraic expression. Okay. What is the homework for you? Homework is 3.1, exercise 3.1 fully. You can finish it easily. No, that is only you are having one word answers and simple way of substituting the values, finding the value of a given algebraic expression. I think you can easily finish it.